So I would like to officially welcome you in this class. Now, this course right here is deeply personal for me. About 6 years ago, I created my first digital product and I had zero expectations of it. Now, again, I went ahead and created this first digital product of mine without using AI. It was all sorts of manual labor involved into the creation of this digital product. And to my surprise, I had 3 downloads. And these 3 downloads, for some reason, were enough to motivate me to create more digital products and analyze this space deeply. I learned everything regarding digital products, how to sell them, how to create them, how to market them. And I can guarantee you that nowadays, with the utilization of the power of AI, the whole process can be streamlined in a way that anyone, without needing to be a creative professional or a content creator, can create, sell, and distribute digital products out there based on their passions. This is why this course is so personal for me. Because if you understand the principles inside of this class and you actually digest and apply the information, you will be able to turn what you love, what you genuinely love, into a digital product and help other people actually with what they also love, which of course overlaps with what you love online. And it's one of the most fulfilling things that you can do. Now, in this first short lesson right here, I would like to highlight the simple 5-day roadmap that we're going to be following with this class right here. Now, again, this class is developed and designed in a way for you to follow it in just 5 days. So in 5 days from now, if you follow the advice again in this class, you will be able to have your first digital product out there. And this is the roadmap that we will be following. So again, the one big reason why people just never usually finish their digital products is because process feels vague, messy, and just too open-ended. That's why I'm giving you this 5-day roadmap that will guide you on how to create your first digital product in a step-by-step process. It's super easy, super, again, beginner friendly, and literally anyone can do this, right? So when people feel overwhelmed, they usually do not need more motivation. What they do need is more structure. Because the worst thing for me would be for you to start creating your digital product and never putting it out there or stopping in the middle of the creation process. But from my personal experience, a roadmap actually removes a lot of the confusion and helps you focus on one stage at a time, which is super important. And that's how we can turn your big idea into something real and something manageable and something measurable. So let's start with actually day one. Now, in day one, I will help you choose the right idea, right? I will help you choose the correct business model and a digital product that is simple, useful, and connected to a genuine, real demand. And yes, there are different types of digital products with different types of difficulty levels attached to them. It's super important because a good product starts with the right problem and not just a random idea. Yes, you will create a digital product about what you love, right? And around your passions. But you don't just need a random idea. You need to create something that is in demand, right? So in day one, we're going to be discussing about clarity and direction. Then we're going to move to day two. And in day two, we're going to start shaping the product, right? So once the idea is clear, the next step is turning this idea into a product that actually people can understand. It's super important for you to highlight the value proposition of your product and for you to understand it primarily before you're able to communicate it with your audience. So this is where we will begin shaping the format, the structure, and the value inside your offer. It's super important for you to understand what value is and how to communicate value and how to pack value into offers, right? So in other words, this is where the product will start taking its first form. Then in day three, we will utilize the power of artificial intelligence to start building your product faster. So we'll move into creation. This is where AI just completely automates and streamlines this whole process. I'm going to show you how to use AI to outline your target avatar, brainstorm, organize, draft, and refine your digital product without getting overwhelmed. And this is the step where you will see the real power of AI. After you've understood the theoretical part, then you will see that AI will come and actually completely skyrocket your productivity in this whole digital product creation process. And the goal is not random AI output again, but a useful first version of the product, because done is like always better than perfect, right? In day four, we're going to move on packaging, right? We're going to package your product. We're going to distribute your product while utilizing some awesome platforms that I have been using for multiple years now, right? And on top of that, it's super important for you to also understand proper positioning. Because if you don't know positioning and if you don't know exactly the value that your product communicates and your product conveys, then you will not be able to communicate this value in the marketing aspect in day 5. So you need to be able to present your offer clearly. So in day 4 is where your product becomes more attractive, more understandable, and more sellable. So by the end of day 4, you will have a ready to market product. And you guessed it, in day 5, we're launching and we're discussing about organic marketing principles, right? We'll focus on getting the product in front of real people in a super beginner friendly way. We're not making this complicated. We're not making this aggressive. We're focusing on realistic visibility and action. I'm going to show you organic ways to magnetize your target avatar and the exact person that you want to actually download your product and apply the information inside of your product to solve their problems and actually experience this transformation from point A, which is the point of pain that they're currently at right now, to point B, which is, again, this transformative point where they want to go. This is the simple 5-day roadmap that we're going to be actually following. And on top of that, in the next lesson, before we dive into day 1, I'm going to give you a small guide on how to understand and how to download the resources, the bonuses that I'm going to be giving you in this course right here. By enrolling in this course, you will gain completely free access to a downloadable resource with all of the prompts that I will be using inside of the next lessons you will watch. And you, of course, will have also access to these prompts to follow along and input in your AI software of choice to gain the optimal output. So more information about this in the next lesson of this course. Again, I'm super excited to have you here. I'm going to see you in the first lesson.